Have you ever found yourself tossing and turning in bed, unable to drift off into the peaceful realm of sleep? Let's delve into the complex world of insomnia. Insomnia is a sleep disorder marked by an inability to fall or stay asleep. It's more than just a frustrating night of restlessness. It's a multifaceted condition with a myriad of causes and symptoms that can drastically affect daily life. Now, there are two main types of insomnia: acute and chronic. Acute insomnia is short-term, often triggered by life events or stress. It's like that night before an important meeting when you're too anxious to sleep. Chronic insomnia, on the other hand, is a long-term pattern of difficulty sleeping, occurring at least 3 nights a week for 3 months or more. From the outside, it might seem like insomnia is just about sleep, but it's much more than that. It's a complex world of sleep disturbances that can lead to more severe conditions. Did you know that insomnia and depression often walk hand in hand? Yes, it's true. It's like navigating through a complex landscape where sleep disturbances and depressive episodes are interconnected, intertwining paths. Imagine insomnia as an unwelcome visitor that overstays its welcome, causing a ripple effect of emotional unrest. This unrest can potentially evolve into a depressive episode, making it much more than just a sleep issue. It's an intricate dance between the mind and body, where one influences the other and vice versa. The inability to sleep can lead to feelings of sadness and a lack of interest in daily activities, hallmark symptoms of depression. Conversely, depression can lead to sleep disturbances, creating a tough cycle to break. Unraveling this connection, understanding this dance, is a critical step towards managing and potentially overcoming insomnia. Because when we comprehend the intricate relationship between insomnia and depression, we empower ourselves to find the right strategies to navigate this landscape. Understanding the link between insomnia and depression is crucial to managing and overcoming sleep disturbances. Battling the sleep thief, insomnia, can often be a daunting task. As the clock ticks away in the late hours, the world around you may seem to be in deep slumber while you're wide awake. But don't lose heart, there are various strategies that may help you reclaim your night's rest. Let's start with natural remedies. Herbal teas such as chamomile or lavender are known to induce relaxation. Then there's the power of mindfulness practices like yoga and meditation, which can help calm the mind and prepare it for sleep. Now let's talk about the circadian rhythm, your body's internal clock that regulates the sleep-wake cycle. It's influenced by factors like light and temperature, and understanding it can be vital in managing sleep disorders. By maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, you can help regulate your circadian rhythm and improve your sleep quality. While there is no one-size-fits-all solution, understanding your body's circadian rhythm can be a key to unlocking better sleep. Our bodies have an internal clock that governs our sleep-wake cycle. This is called the circadian rhythm, a biological process that displays an endogenous and trainable oscillation of roughly 24 hours. This rhythm regulates when we feel sleepy and when we feel alert. Now imagine this rhythm gets disrupted. It's like trying to dance to a song when the beat keeps changing. You'll constantly be out of sync. Similarly, when our circadian rhythm is off, we can experience a myriad of conditions, from insomnia to depression and even certain metabolic disorders. This disruption can be triggered by various factors such as jet lag, shift work, or even poor sleep habits. Consequently, it's crucial to keep our internal clock in check. We can do this by maintaining a regular sleep schedule, getting plenty of natural light during the day, and creating a sleep-friendly environment at night. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule is essential for a healthy circadian rhythm and better sleep. The blue light emitted by our screens can be a major culprit in our battle against insomnia. This blue-green wavelength messes with our melatonin production, the hormone that regulates our sleep. When the sun sets, our bodies naturally produce melatonin to help us sleep. But the blue light from our screens mimics daylight, tricking our bodies into thinking it's still daytime, thus suppressing melatonin production. Now think about the activities we indulge in before bedtime. Maybe it's watching a late-night show, scrolling through social media, or even working late hours. All these activities expose us to this stimulating blue-green light, disrupting our sleep. So what's the solution? Blue light blocking glasses. These glasses filter out the blue light, allowing our bodies to naturally produce melatonin. Studies have shown that wearing these glasses a few hours before sleep can significantly improve sleep quality. Blue light blocking glasses can be a simple yet effective tool in your arsenal against insomnia. Melatonin, nature's sleep aid, plays a vital role in our sleep-wake cycle. This naturally occurring hormone produced by the pineal gland in our brain signals to our body that it's time to rest and recuperate. When darkness falls, melatonin production ramps up, preparing us for sleep. As dawn breaks, melatonin levels drop, nudging us towards wakefulness. It's a beautiful dance of biochemistry attuned to the rhythm of our planet. But what happens when this rhythm goes off-beat? This is where melatonin supplementation comes in. A low dose, around half a milligram to start, taken about 90 minutes before your intended bedtime, can help reestablish a healthy sleep pattern. However, it's important to note that melatonin isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. As we age, our bodies produce less melatonin, so older adults may need a slightly higher dose. And as with any supplement, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional first. Proper use of melatonin can aid in achieving a better night's sleep. Your late-night snack could be disrupting your sleep. Here's why. The type of food you consume before bed can have a significant impact on your blood glucose levels, and in turn, your sleep quality. Consuming foods high in sugars and simple carbohydrates can cause a rapid rise and fall in your blood sugar levels. This roller coaster effect can lead to disruptions in your sleep cycle, causing you to wake frequently throughout the night. On the other hand, opting for foods rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help stabilize your blood glucose levels. These nutrients are digested at a slower rate, providing a steady release of energy and preventing sudden spikes and drops in your blood sugar. So the next time you reach for a bedtime snack, consider choosing something that supports stable blood glucose levels, such as a handful of almonds or a bowl of Greek yogurt. Stabilizing blood glucose levels can be a step towards achieving better sleep.